even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the eyes, the sun, the sky. A little late, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has some thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were watching. Gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know it's right, I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot at forgiveness.
We are heading to Dallas right now to get a car done for a show tonight. It is currently about 9 in the morning. It has been a fun, so far, road trip, but it has been a long trip to say the least. Get some gas to finish our journey. Because it is Mr. Shea Davis that we are getting his car done today to get into the show. We only have like a few hours left of this trip. We left really early in the morning. It's about a 15-hour drive from Phoenix. But we'll be there around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The show starts tonight at 7. Obviously, we have to be done around 4. So we're only going to have like 3 hours to do this. 3-4 hours to do this. We're going to get it done though. We're also going to go to the car show. So this will be fun. Yeah, I was gonna say. Okay, we are in Sherman. Sherman? Is it Sherman? We're in Sherman, Texas. We're knocking this one out in record time. And then we'll see each other later at the car shop. We're gonna go ahead and get this one torn up and put back together. I'm looking show ready. Just remember the door alignment. Just remember the door alignment. Hit me with a shock lock. Why don't you hit me with a shock lock? Hit me with a shock lock. No way. I got that son bitch in the first time. I didn't load him up. Yeah, we did. I put them all in a plastic bag. Oh, I checking how many there's in there.
May or may not be 6.
Yeah. Yeah. I what? I know, I'm torquing them down. Over torquing. Ow. Who? Who's your daddy?
Gotta have my music, man. You gotta focus.
Okay, I got your music. You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips.
Okay, with you?
There's no tenderness like before in your fingertips. How's that? What are you doing over there? Meanwhile, while you're looking for crap, I'm finishing stuff. All right, let's talk to Shea. Let me get Shea real quick. All right, Mr. Shea. Moment of truth. Open this door and tell me if you feel any difference in the shop.
That's a lot more assisted, for sure.
A lot more assisted, right?
Wants it. It's about right here. Wants to take it.
Yeah.
Down.
It's a lot smoother, right? That will that wanting to go up on its own, that'll ease a little bit, not a whole. Yeah, as it kind of breaks in, it'll ease a little bit, but it's still gonna be wanting to, you know, always go that way, but it feels different. So just okay. Easier? A lot easier. Nice. Okay. Huh? Is it? Okay. What are you doing over there, Slowpoke? We'll show you the car in a little bit. We're done. We're just on a time crunch to the hotel. It's currently 5 o'clock, but we did get the car done in record time, about 2 hours, give or take a little bit. But the show starts in a little bit of time, and I'm a little jealous of a shirt situation for this guy right there.
'Cause I got one.
Yeah, he brought his shirt. I did not bring my shirt, so I had to stop, get some equipment to make a freaking shirt at a hotel room. So we're running back to the hotel room to make a shirt for the car show. That's in literally 2 hours, an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes.
You mean an hour?
Yeah, about an hour. So
2 hours? You wish you had that kind of time?
like I said, we're on demon time. I am set up, trying to make this shirt, to set up new Cricut software, cut this first stuff. The hooker is on his way down to the car. Got a razor blade to cut the stuff off this machine. So we are running out of time. I still have to shower, shave, get dressed, make a shirt, and we have like 40 minutes. I don't think it's gonna happen. This is anxiety. This is anxiety. I feel like this is deja vu. I just did a bunch of these. I need Jesus right now. Jesus, take the wheel. Come on, make this shirt.
I'm still leaving by 6:30?
It's like what, 20 minutes? Not less than?
Oh yeah. Like 10 minutes.
Oh God.
It'll just be 2 different style shirts is all. One with Eikon.
Not possible.
Oh my God. You're killing our time here, bud. You're killing our
I
time.
know. It's the OCD. It's the OCD. Okay.
That shit looks good.
So that's good. Now the yellow.
Lord have mercy.
Okay. As you see, we're matching shirts now.
Well.
Why do I feel like we're the monkeys in the
You call me a monkey? Because I'm black.
the Sasquatch videos?
Oh my God. I see.
Yeah. Do some ICE stuff.
I see.
Free Modelos. Modelos always get some. That is my favorite one for sure.
So
Anyways, we are done. We're running late though.
there's no we. I happen to be late because he's driving.
And this is the slowest elevator on the planet. It's a 4-story hotel, but you would think that the elevator's on the 80th floor, not on demon speed. But we are
Well.
behind schedule. So look at that, look at that, look at that. Hi. Okay, let's do this. We start walking around here in a little bit. Yeah.
Missing copper bolts too.
What we? I'm coughing.
Dude, that's my personal favorite, just because it's a coffin.
Yeah.
Mad Max.
That's pretty cool.
If only if it was a clutch.
Right.
It'd be so cool and so much fun to drive.
It needed a clutch?
Yes.
Reckon you get buried in it, right?
Absolutely. Spend that much money on that, you better bury me in
Yeah,
it.
right. Haven't seen that hood yet in person. I like it.
Carbon fiber hood. How you doing,
Beautiful
boss?
car.
How you doing?
Oh, you can sure.
That's actually kind of cool.
So we
I've
need
not
to
seen
make
that.
next.
This your
Little
truck?
pro-charged C8.
How heavy is this?
I like those rims.
Yeah.
You ever consider getting vertical doors on it?
I want this is the second anniversary.
Who's he over here bugging?
So
Oh,
because of that, I want to keep it all original.
I honestly don't blame you.
Yeah, they'll be. I mean, you can do tons of stuff to them, but
Who you over here bugging?
like this edition needs to stay this way.
I definitely get it. The 70th edition.
They made 841 of the white ones,
Oh wow.
and I tried to buy the car in 2023 from a dealership in McAllister, and they sold it out from under me. And then less than a year later, the husband died, and the guy called me. He said, "You still want that Corvette?" I said,
No.
Stroke of luck, unbelievable.
Wow. I like the color clash they got, like the red seats,
Yeah,
black and red
yeah,
liner.
just enough of the red in
Right.
there to offset it. You know, everything kind of coordinates.
'Cause you know most Biscayne?
Everything.
Sorry.
Ooh, the speaker upgrade is nice.
It's pretty, but
Anybody who likes their car usually does.
you can get easy 4 to 5 bodies in that. Very colorful. Good, how are you? I love this.
My wife's 29.
Yeah?
And then this is my 31 we just got done building.
Nice.
So yeah, that's my wife's 29. She's a little dirty. She's been up on the rack while building this one, so we got dirty and it was a little late. We didn't get to wash it too good.
That's called a rocker seat, right?
Rumble.
Rumble, that's right, rumble.
Rumble seat, yep. It was the last time men got to drive in peace.
More legroom.
It's actually not bad. It's kind of hard to get into, but
Is it? Well, yeah.
there's actually so on the inside.
Oh, yeah.
So it's built where you step there and step under the fender and then step into the
Nice.
seat and get into it. So that's my first build. My wife did all the interior on it.
Nice.
I built the car.
Pretty good job.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Lots of cool stuff here. Lots of cool stuff. Richard Rawlings is here. Seen him a few times, but
I've not seen those ones yet. I'll have to look them up.
here it is.
Which one? What exhaust on your list? Who? I installed a Borla on one of the guys down in Phoenix. Man, that thing was so fucking loud. Gotcha. She said he wants to do too much.
Came in clutch. Said record time doing the install on this.
This thing
It
hear
came
me?
out
It might be able to hear me. How you liking the doors, Shea?
Love it. They're great. Make it.
This fucking camera shit, man. I'm here with Shea.
Oh, okay, well. I don't do. This isn't my specialty. I'm an installer. I do installs.
Yeah, own it.
We
Own
make
it.
videos of installs.
Tim makes videos of installs. Anyways, hey, it's me, Hooker, again. I'm here with Shea. We did a C8 Corvette. How you liking the doors, Shea?
Man, I love it. It just sets it off. It's great.
Well, we are glad you are happy with your doors. I have no idea what else I'm supposed to say, Tim. Welcome to my TED Talk, where I have no idea what I'm supposed to say right now. Why did you want the doors anyways?
To be different, you know, just I want to stand out. I want people to ask questions. You know, it's definitely a conversation starter. Kids love it. They think it's cool. So, you know, it's all the above.
Fair.
You know, why not, really?
So how come you went with Eikon instead of any other brand for the doors?
Several reasons. You know, I like the distance, the clearance I have when I get out of the car. I like that you can color match the kit to your car, to whatever you choose. Being able to customize it, that was great. That's what I really liked. It just kind of ties in with the rest of the color of the car. It just all ties together, and can't say enough about it. It looks good. The colors match up.
We got the color matching torch edition for his white C8 with his interior torch.
You know, and it's definitely a work in progress. With cars like these, you know, there's always things you want to do to them.
What else you want to do to it?
Exhaust and lower it, and when Mama allows, it'll be twin turbo.
Oh, good luck with that one.
Yeah, that's the ultimate go.
Do the cheaper ones first.
The saying goes, you pay for what you get, so you don't want to go cheap.
No, I'm not saying get cheap parts. I'm saying do the cheaper modifications, like
Oh, absolutely.
side skirt, the lowering, and then
Yeah.
you work up to the twin turbos.
Definitely a lot of cosmetics. You know,
She
you
already
want
knows
people to ask
you
questions.
spent a couple thousand more than you should have.
Right, absolutely. But no, we'll get there. It's definitely a work in progress, but slowly but surely, it'll get to where I want it to be. It's a good start. You know, doors
you're
definitely
happy?
a good start.
Glad it's a good start for you. We're happy with it. Happy that you're happy.
Hey, always go with Eikon.
You heard it first here. Right from this man. Always go with Eikon. I'm gonna hand you back over to Tim because I'm out of things to talk about.
All right, so that is going to wrap it up here in Sherman. I think it's Sherman, Texas, where we were at. Shea, we had a blast. Absolutely love that you love your doors now. It was our pleasure to get them onto your car for you, especially in time for the show. Anyways, we are at our next location, and you'll see what we're doing here in another video. So until next time, please like, subscribe, share, and have a good one.